Jai Hind children, how are you all? Welcome to Saraswati Shishu Kunj Vadwala courses. Today I am giving you session of grammar, standard, third subject grammar. Okay, so today I selected the chapter 9. The chapter 9 name is degrees of comparison. In this chapter we will do comparison with each other. Okay. Two things, two people, okay, otherwise more than two people or two things. So we can compare like this way. For example, these are three pencils. You can see children, these are three pencils. Okay, this is small, this is smaller, smaller than this, and this is smallest. Like that way we can say. Otherwise we can say long, longer and longest. Small, smaller, smallest. Long, longer, longest. So we compare three pencils. We can compare two pencils like this way. This pencil is taller than this pencil. This pencil is longer than this pencil. Okay. You can see this like this way. This pencil is smaller than this pencil. This pencil is smaller than this pencil. Okay. So like that way we can compare two things in comparison degree. In the comparison degree we can take two things, two people. Okay. Otherwise two people and two things. Now let's see the definition of this and rules of this. First of all, adjectives can show comparisons between two or more. Two or more, I said. Two or more than two. Okay? Two or more people and things. People and things. We can compare two chopsticks, two chairs, okay, two persons, like that. In second rule of this, we add ER, smaller, longer. So what we add? ER in this sentence, for example, this pencil is smaller than this pencil. Okay, so I add ER, okay, at the end of adjective, right? So like that way, ER or more to adjectives to compare the things. We can use more also. We can use more word also. That I will explain you with the examples. Where you have to use more, that I will tell you in example how you have to add more, with which adjectives you can use more. Okay, that I will tell you in examples. Now the third rule, we add EST. We add EST or most to adjectives to compare three or more things. When there are three things or more than three things or more than three things, you can use EST with the adjectives. For example, I am writing here small. If we want to show three things together, small, smaller and smallest. So what I have to add here? EST. Okay, like that way. EST. Or you can use most with some adjectives that I will tell you in the example. That is with which adjective you have to use most. Okay, and directly which verbs you can change with EST, that I will tell you in example. So here are some rules, so you have to learn it carefully, then you will understand. It is very easy chapter. So get ready for the examples. Now see, with the correct form of the adjectives. Children, in these blanks, I took 4 different examples. So according to these examples, you can fill your worksheet very easily. Already you are getting answers, but I took different examples of this comparison degree. Okay. First of all, in first number long, second number good, third number early, and fourth number expensive words are there. So now how you will change? How you will change in the comparison degree? So like that way, with the example I will explain you. The first number, the highway is dash than the road that runs beside it. Now here, which words we did comparison? Highway and road. We are doing comparison between highway and road. Two things. We are doing comparison with highway with road. Two things, right? Two things. So, what we will change here? We will change this adjective, long word, we will change with ER. What we will add? ER. So, we have to write first of all this long and then we have to add ER. So, this is comparison degree word. We change this adjective with ER word. Okay, and now it become comparison degree. We are doing comparison highway with road and the answer is longer. The second one is the mango ice cream taste dash than the pineapple ice cream. Now here what we are doing comparison? Mango ice cream with pineapple ice cream. Okay children? Yes. So in this sentence mango ice cream and pineapple ice cream, two choices are there, right? So we are doing comparison of this both. So both taste we are doing comparison, but in this good, in this adjective we have to change the word totally. So here good we will change with word BETTER, better. So good will change here, better. We will not write here gooder. Okay? Don't write. You will understand that long will change into longer. So don't think that good will change into gooder. Okay? Answer is not that way. The answer will change totally good. So in comparison degree, it will be better. Okay? So guys, answer is better. Third one is the Duronto Express starts dash than the Rajdhani Express. These both are the names of the trains. Duronto Express and Rajdhani Express both are different trains. Okay, names of trains. Here we are doing comparison Duronto Express with Rajdhani Express. Okay, we are getting two choices, two options, Duronto Express and Rajdhani Express. We are doing comparison of both trains. Okay. So here the word is early. Now as you know the rules, this Y will not come in answer. We will drop this Y in answer. First of all we will write EARL, but we will not write Y in the answer. Instead of Y, what we will write? IER. Instead of Y, we will write I, and already we are adding ER in the comparison degree, right? In the comparative degree, right? So the answer will totally change like this way. Instead of Y, we will write I and add ER, earlier. Okay, so the answer will be the Duronto Express starts earlier than Rajdhani Express. The fourth one is watermelons are dash than bananas. Here the adjective is expensive. Now here you will understand what I told you before 5 minutes, that where you have to use more word. Okay, you are adding ER also in the comparison degree, and you have to write more also with some adjectives. So in which adjective, with which adjectives, before which adjectives you will add more, that you will learn here. So here you can't write expensive, or you can't write. So you have to write here first of all more, more, and then expensive. More expensive. Okay, so here I did not add ER here, but I add more before adjective. Clear? So these are the different options. You can see, first of all, I have to repeat again, and you will also see the highway is longer than the road that runs beside it. So here long, add ER, longer. This is first rule. The second rule, the mango ice cream tastes better than the pineapple ice cream. Here totally answer change, good. So here better. Comparison degree. The third one is the Duronto Express starts earlier than the Rajdhani Express. Here instead of Y we add I and then ER. So this is also third rule. And here we are doing comparison of watermelon with bananas. So do comparisons, and here we add more before adjective, and we made this sentence like this way: watermelons are more expensive than bananas. So
see children, this is first slide. You can see 3 pictures. Okay, first of all small, then smaller, and then smallest. We are learning in this chapter comparison. Okay, degrees of comparison. So we have to concentrate first of all in middle. SMALLER, smaller. Okay, so you can see we are doing comparison more than 2 with the more than 2 pictures. Here 3 are there. Okay, now the next, big, bigger, biggest. Here also BIGGER, bigger. We are doing comparison with more than 2. Here you can see grapes are sweeter than apples. Now here we compare grapes with apples, right? Grapes with apples. And grapes are sweeter than apples. We are doing comparison between 2 fruits. Between 2 fruits we have 2 options, grapes and apples. So here sweeter, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. As we know that we are doing comparative degree, so first of all we have to do concentrate on sweeter word. SWEETER. See, so ER, what I add? ER. Here doing we are comparison between 2 fruits. Here another, tall, taller, tallest. So tall is a simple adjective, but then after we are doing comparison with other plant, so that is taller than that tall, that is taller than that tall one. So TALLER, we add ER, and then after third one, tallest, so it is tallest than this both. Okay, so that is superlative degree, but that we will learn later. Only right now concentrate on taller. Here see some spelling rules which I will explain you in our next slide also, or next explanation also. But first of all see these rules. High, higher. What I add? ER. Big, bigger. Here G will come double. So double GER, BIGGER. Then safe. So now no need to add E, only add R, because already E is a last letter of this spelling. SAFE. E is already available. So only we have to add R. Then SAFER. Then the fourth rule, noisy, N-O-I-S-Y. So instead of Y, we have to add I and then add ER. Then see exciting. So more exciting. You have to write more word before exciting. Some adjectives will be like that way. So we have to add more word before that. Directly we can't add ER at the backside of the word. Again the see next dangerous. So here also you have to add more dangerous. Okay. Then after some words will be changed whole. Okay. Some adjectives totally will be changed. For example good. So we have to write bad. We can't write gooder. So we have to write better. Then bad bad. So we can't write better. We have to write worse. W-O-R-S-E worse. So in first rule we have to add ER, high, higher. Second rule G will come double, big, bigger. In third rule safe. No need to write E again. Only have to add R, safe, safer. In fourth rule noisy. So we have to remove Y. Instead of Y we have to write I and then ER, noisier. Exciting and dangerous. We have to add more before those words. So more exciting, more dangerous. And some adjectives will totally change. So good and bad change into different words. Good, better and bad, worse. Now see some examples on the blackboard.
Now see this. Fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives. In these blanks, I took four different qualities, four different examples. Okay, you will get two options. Okay, two options and you have to select the correct option because there are four rules. So you will get four rules, different answers. First of all, my house is dash to the market than yours. Children, you have to remember than words for comparison degree. Always when you are adding ER, so over there than word will definitely be there. So when than word will come, definitely you will write ER answer because answer will be there on that only of comparison degree. So first of all, my house is dash to the market than yours. So here answer will come near or nearest. So answer will come nearer. ER. I told you as when there is a than word you are doing comparison. Okay. So on that time you will use ER. Okay. Comparative degree word. So nearer will come. The second option is her dress is dash than mine. Okay. Here option is beautiful or more beautiful. I told you in some comparison examples you can't use ER after adjective beautifuler you can't write. So you have to write more beautiful. So the answer is more beautiful. Here you have to write more beautiful. Okay? You can't write beautifuler. You have to write more beautiful. So when these kind of adjectives will come, so you have to add more before those adjectives. 3 number, Prabhat is the dash boy in the class. In whole class only one name, Prabhat. So it is superlative degree. So you can't write ER, comparison word. You have to write tallest word because Prabhat is tallest in class. So here you have to write T-A-L-L-E-S-T, tallest. And the last one is Bala is very dash today. So happy or happier. So here only we are talking about Bala. We are not comparing Bala with any other option, with any other person. Only Bala is single. So you have to write happy, not happier. Here you have to write happy. Because there is in this sentence there is no other option, there is no other person to compare with Bala. So it will only happy. So these four are different examples. My house is nearer to the market examples. Okay children.